Hello, Judy Allen here, San Antonio, Texas. Let's talk about an Easter Bunny class with 8 cards being made and a 3D project. So let's go down the hands and I'm going to show you what it's all about, all right? That's what it's important. So you make 2 of each of these designs, right? So here is 1 card. And here is another one. It's all using the Easter Bunny stamp set. And we're using some different colors to add in there, as well as some different textures going on here. In addition to that, we also have in the class, we have our 3D project, which you put your Easter grass right here in the middle, and you put your Easter treats there as well too, making a very lovely decor for Easter. So that's what the Easter Bunny class is all about. If you've missed out, weren't able to get it, too late or whatever, that's fine. The PDF tutorials are available. All you have to do is message me, and I'm also providing a link for you. You can click there as well too to be able to get those tutorials. With that, be blessed and look forward to seeing you at the next class if you don't make this one. Bye.